In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this CV showing on your screen. With this CV, you can apply to jobs in Europe, Spain, Italy, name it. After creating the CV, I'm also going to show you how to get a job in Europe.
Google browser and type in Europass CV, you're going to see the official website. You just click on it. Now, the next thing you want to do is to scroll down. You see create your Europass profile, you click on it. Good. Now, you can either create an account, right, or you just create your CV directly. So I'm going to click create your CV. So this is where you start putting in the details of your resume, okay? You can select the language that you want for your resume. The date format, you can select it. So let's start with this. I'm just going to put in my name. I want to create a resume for myself, okay? Under the About Me section, personally, I'm a travel influencer. So let me just say I am a travel influencer. So just put your own details, okay? So because I'm using this as an example, so I'm just making this random. So your passport and ID, you can select which one refers to you, but I'm going to leave this one checked. Now, work permit, if you're working somewhere in Europe, you just put the country work permit that you have here. Okay. Now, date of birth, you can put this, put the year as well. Place of birth, you can put this. Your gender, you can put this. Your nationality, you can put this. For date of birth, let me just use something random, right? Let me just use something random. So I scroll, let me use this one. So let me say place of birth, let me use this, and let me say Nigeria, for example. Okay. So nationality, let me use Nigeria too. So you put your email address. I'm going to use my personal email address. Okay. Then you can put in your contact details. If you have a social media good, your website, you can actually put in your LinkedIn profile. Then you put in your address. Okay. Once you're done, you click on save. Then add new section. Okay. Now you can add work experience. You add section. So basically, you put the position you've held. For me, let me say I'm a travel influencer and I'm self-employed. City, let me say Lagos, and let me put the country Nigeria. So let me assume I started. Let me pick any date. Let me assume I started 2009 and I'm working here presently. So I select ongoing. Let me just assume this is my main responsibilities. Then I click on save. Now you can continue to add new if you have several work experience. Now once you're done with the work experience, you click on add new section again. Then you select education and training. Okay. So this is where you just basically fill in your details. For me, I have a degree in mass communication, so I have a bachelor's degree. To find out what you're supposed to put here, if you just put your button here, you're going to see it here. Okay. Organization for me, it is National Open University of Nigeria. Field of study. So field of study, mine was under social sciences and journalism. So let me just pick anyone, right? So you just do what is related to you. Now, if you have the website of the university, you can include it. If you have other details, you can put this. My university was in Lagos, so I'm just going to put Lagos, and the country where it was Nigeria. So I'm just going to select Nigeria. Okay. So if you're still ongoing, you select ongoing, but if you finished, just put in your date where you finished. Okay. But for the sake of this video, let me just say I am ongoing. So I click on ongoing, then I click on save. Now I've added the education section. So that's basically how you add section for language, skills, certification, and all of that. Okay, let me just add language skills, right? So mother tongue, let me use English. Now other language, you could use let me use German. Now, understanding, you put whatever that is relatable to you. I'm just going to select um, anyone for the sake of this video. Then click on save. Add new section. So you could add skills, certification, and basically the rest. Okay, so basically once you're done, you just click on next. So you could actually select any of these templates. Okay, you can select any of these templates. Once you're done, right, you just click on next, then save. Okay, you click on next. Then this is where you just name your CV. I'm going to use my name, Samuel CV. Then click on download. Now you can see it has been successfully downloaded on your PC. Now I'm going to show you now how you can get a job. Okay, so basically you go back to the same prompt, Europass CV, you put this in your Google browser, then click on the official website, right? Now you just scroll down, you see find support through Euro service, you click this one, European Job Mobility Portal, you click on this, then scroll down, then click find a job. So the next thing you want to do is scroll down. There are currently 3 million jobs available. Now you can search for a job in maybe Austria, Belgium, whichever of this location, right? You could see currently jobs in Austria, they have 52,406. In Latvia, 44,485. Now you can also search for a job based on sector. If you want a job in the accommodation and food sector in Europe or construction sector, education sector, you can also search for a job based on occupation, right? For those of you who need nursing job, you just click on this, healthcare assistant, and basically carpenters and joiners, right? Now you can also come here and just type in visa sponsorship. Then other countries, you can filter based on the country you want, but I'm going to leave this unchecked. Then click on search. Now, once you click on search, if you scroll down, you're going to find all the job listings. For example, junior designer bodywear. Okay. Now this one is in Holland. You see, this one is in Germany. This one is in Belgium. All these are jobs, right? Even after searching for the job, you can also filter based on what you want. So that's how you search for job, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to join this family. Thank you.